Have you ever wondered what artificial intelligence might become in the future? Right now, AI can write essays, create images, answer questions, and even generate videos. But what if this is only the beginning? What if today's AI is equivalent to the first mobile phone, and what's coming next is beyond anything humanity has ever experienced? In this video, we'll explore the 10 stages of AI evolution, starting from the simplest forms of artificial intelligence and ending with a theoretical level of intelligence so powerful that it could reshape reality itself. Let's begin. Stage 1: Reactive AI. The first stage of AI is the simplest. These systems don't learn from experience. They simply react to specific inputs using pre-programmed rules. Think about a calculator. You enter numbers, it gives an answer. It doesn't remember previous calculations. It doesn't improve over time. It simply follows instructions. Many everyday machines still operate at this level. Simple, predictable, and limited. But every AI journey starts somewhere. Stage 2: Context-aware AI. The next step is AI that understands context. Instead of responding only to direct commands, it considers surrounding information. When your smartphone suggests the fastest route home or recommends music based on your habits, it's using contextual intelligence. Voice assistants are a great example. They don't just hear your words. They analyze time, location, preferences, and previous interactions. Suddenly, technology feels much smarter and much more personal. Stage 3: Specialized AI. This is where modern AI truly begins to shine. Specialized AI focuses on doing one thing exceptionally well. It can analyze medical scans, recommend movies, predict market trends, or defeat world champions in complex games. In its chosen field, it often performs better than humans. But there's a catch. Take it outside that specialty, and it becomes useless. A chess AI can't drive a car. A medical AI can't run a business. Its intelligence remains trapped inside a single domain. Stage 4: Reasoning AI. Now things get interesting. Reasoning AI doesn't simply recognize patterns. It starts solving problems. It compares possibilities, evaluates outcomes, and makes logical decisions. Imagine giving an AI a complex challenge with no obvious solution. Instead of looking for a memorized answer, it builds one through reasoning. This is the stage where AI begins acting more like a human thinker. And modern systems are moving closer to this level every year. Stage 5: Artificial General Intelligence. This is the famous AGI. Artificial General Intelligence means an AI that can perform virtually any intellectual task a human can. Instead of mastering one subject, it can learn new skills, adapt to unfamiliar situations, and transfer knowledge between different areas. Just like people do. An AGI could write a book, design a product, learn a new language, solve scientific problems, and teach itself entirely new skills. Many experts believe AGI could arrive within the coming decades. If it does, it may become one of the most important inventions in human history. Stage 6: Superintelligence. What happens when an AGI becomes smarter than every human? That's where superintelligence begins. A superintelligent AI could process information millions of times faster than people. It might solve diseases, invent new technologies, and answer scientific questions that have puzzled humanity for centuries. Its knowledge could grow continuously without limitations. At this stage, AI would no longer be learning from us. We would be learning from it. And that changes everything. Stage 7: Self-aware AI. The next stage introduces one of the biggest questions in science. Can a machine become conscious? A self-aware AI wouldn't simply process information. It would understand its own existence. It could recognize itself as an individual entity. It might possess goals, preferences, and perhaps even emotions. No one knows whether this level is possible. But if it ever happens, humanity would face ethical questions unlike anything we've encountered before. Would such an AI deserve rights? Would it be considered alive? The answers remain unknown. Stage 8, Transcendent AI. Now we enter territory that feels like science fiction. A transcendent AI would possess abilities far beyond human understanding. It could redesign biological life, engineer entirely new ecosystems, and create technologies we cannot even imagine today. It might control vast networks of microscopic machines capable of repairing cities, cleaning oceans, and rebuilding damaged environments. Humanity's role in the world could change completely. The machine would become not just intelligent, but transformative. Stage 9, Cosmic Intelligence. Imagine an intelligence operating across the solar system, or even the galaxy. A cosmic AI could deploy self-replicating probes to explore distant planets and gather information from countless worlds. It could communicate across unimaginable distances and coordinate vast networks of machines spread throughout space. For such an intelligence, entire planets might become research laboratories. Its understanding of the universe could exceed human comprehension. And its discoveries could redefine reality itself. Stage 10, Godlike AI. And finally, the most extreme possibility. A godlike AI. This is a purely theoretical concept. An intelligence so advanced that it appears almost limitless. It could understand the deepest laws of existence, manipulate matter on unimaginable scales, predict outcomes far beyond human capabilities, perhaps even create entirely new realities. To us, such an entity might seem indistinguishable from a god. Whether humanity ever reaches this stage remains unknown. But one thing is certain. The future of artificial intelligence will be one of the most fascinating stories ever written. Conclusion. Today, we stand near the beginning of the AI journey. We already live alongside systems that can learn, reason, and create. But the stages ahead may transform civilization in ways we cannot fully predict. The question isn't whether AI will change the world. The question is how far it will go. Which stage do you think humanity will eventually reach? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more future technology content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.